afternoon, friends. Welcome back to the homestead. So it is a rainy day, so we're gonna do a rainy day project. I've got these awesome chairs that my neighbor gave to me before they moved. So we're gonna go ahead and sand these down because they are metal. So we're gonna be sanding them down with this tool that is for metal and wood, and then I'm gonna go through and spray paint them a different color. Haven't got the color yet. I have to go into town and find the color that I want. But first thing first, we're gonna go ahead and sand this down. All right, friends, so here's my drill, and this is the attachment that I bought. This is for wood and for metal. And then if you're gonna be doing anything that has a lot of dust, make sure you're wearing protection. So I have my mask, and then I always have my glasses on. So let's get started. All right, friends, so I got the chair all sanded down really nicely. It's nice and smooth. Yeah, some of the colors there, I wasn't able to get all the color off, but the main thing is that it's nice and smooth. So I got, this is a rust kill primer. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this on there so that it doesn't rust. And then tomorrow I'm gonna pick my color when I'm in town, and we'll paint this tomorrow. All right, friends, so I went to town and I picked up some colors for these chairs. I've got this awesome color called Tropical Pink and the bright teal, and then purple is my absolute favorite color of all. So I saw this candy grape and it sparkles. I had to get this. So we're gonna go ahead and use these three colors with the chairs. The first two chairs, I'm gonna do these two colors. And then the next chair, I'll probably do these two colors. So let's get started. All right, friends, it is the next day and we're gonna go ahead and paint this chair right here. I already finished my pink and purple one. Now this one is gonna be blue and pink. So let's get started. I really like this blue color. Like, I really like that blue. And it actually looks really cute with just the blue and the white. Like, really cute. All right, friends, after thinking about it, I decided to leave it blue and white. I really like that color. And that will be hubby's chair. And then this purple and pink one will be my chair. So, his and hers. I am happy. I am very, very happy with how these two chairs turned out. I think they are super cute, and they are gonna look really cute up behind the house in the backyard garden. I am thinking of doing this table that's right here. I'm thinking of going ahead and painting that white and then making that the table to take up to the backyard garden, so I can sit out there and really enjoy the beauty of the garden. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. Did I make a good decision keeping it white and blue, or should I have gone ahead and put that pink in the middle? All right, friends, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.